children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Today we will know about the lesson I love my India. I love my India. Children, do you know how many continents are there? There are 7 continents. Here there are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. In these 7 continents, we are in Asian continent. India is in Asian continent. And our India shares its boundaries with many countries. Our India shares its boundaries with many countries like China, Nepal, Afghanistan, Pakistan, like that. And India is divided into 28 states and it has 2 governments are also there. First one is central government and state government. We will continue our lesson in textbook. This is our social textbook. Open the page number 36 sorry. Here the lesson I love my India. First of all, read the questions, tick the right mark to correct answers. Which festival is also called the Festival of Lights? Which festival is also called the Festival of Lights? Holi and Diwali. Diwali is the correct. Here you have to tick the Diwali. And when do we celebrate Republic Day? When do we celebrate Republic Day? 26th January and 15th August. 26th January is the correct. You have to tick it. Which of these is one of the famous monuments in Agra? Which of these is one of the famous monuments in Agra? Taj Mahal and Eiffel Tower. Taj Mahal is it? Famous monuments in Agra. You have to tick that. And we will continue our lesson. Listen carefully, all of you. In lesson 2, you learned that there are 7 continents. India lies in Asia. Underline 7 continents and Asia. India is a very big country. It is the 7th largest in world and the 2nd most populated after China. Underline 1. 7th largest country is in India in the world and most populated after China. 2nd place is our India. It has a population of more than 135 crore. Underline this one also. In India, people speak many languages. India shares its boundaries with many countries. Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh and Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Maldives are its nearest neighbors in the Indian Ocean. Here we have to look at this picture. The boundaries of India is Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal and here Maldives, Sri Lanka. These are the neighboring countries of our India. India is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east. Here each side Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea in the west. Here the Arabian Sea. The Indian Ocean in the south. Here Indian Ocean. Look at this picture. States and capitals are here in Indian map. India is divided into smaller parts called states. Underline these states. It has 28 states. In 2019, 2 new union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Underline this. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh were created. Those are the union territories of new. And for all the states and their capitals, there are 2 types of government in our country. The central government and the state government. Underline this. Central government and state government. Both work together to ensure the safety and welfare of the people. Turn the page. Look at this picture. This is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. It has more than 300 rooms. Here Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of our India. Paste a photograph and write the name of the present president of India. You have to do this one. Here central government. First government is the central government. India became independent on 15th August 1947. Underline. Independence gave us the right to choose the people who would govern us. This is done by having an election. During an election, people cast their vote and choose some people. These people then form the government. Only those whose age is 18 years. Underline this is important. 18 years aged people or form the government and above can vote. The central government makes laws for the entire country. It has its offices in New Delhi. The central government offices are in New Delhi. Underline this one. The capital of India, the president, the vice president, the Prime Minister, other ministers and the officers of the central government live and work in the capital. Here, who are in central government? The President, the Vice President, the Prime Minister and other ministers. Underline this one. The President of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. This is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. President lives in here. Underline this. And check point here. Here check point, fill in the blanks. Dash is the most populated country in the world. Which is the most populated country? China. You have to write here. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is dash. Here you have to turn the page once again. The Madhya Pradesh capital Bhopal. You have to write here Bhopal. And third one, Itanagar is the capital of dash. Which state? Here once again Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Right here. The people of dash have the right to choose the government. Here 18 years age. Write the 18 years age. The offices of the central government are in New Delhi. Right here New Delhi. And next government is state government. It is difficult for the central government to solve the problems of all the people. So in this way we have to form some states and here forms a state government. Therefore, each state elects its own government. It is called the state government. The state government looks after the welfare of the people living in that state. The governor, the chief minister, other ministers and the senior officers of the state government live and work in the state capital. Here who are in state government? The governor, underline, the chief minister and other ministers and senior officers are here. And next one, here union territories. There are some parts of India which are not included in the 28 states. These are called union territories. Underline this one once again. There are some parts of India which are not included in the 28 states. These are called union territories. They are governed by the central government. They are governed by the central government. There are 8 union territories. Underline this, 8 union territories including the national capital territory of Delhi. Locate these union territories. Here the union territories and their capitals. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh. Capital is Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Capital is Daman. Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar and Jammu. Leh. Lakshadweep. Its capital is Kavaratti. Puducherry and Puducherry also its capital. National capital territory of Delhi. Capital is Delhi. Here the picture, look at this picture. Here Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital. Here two capitals are here now. Srinagar is the winter capital. In winter season Srinagar is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir and winter in the Jammu and summer is the Srinagar. So children, turn the page. The country with the second largest population in the world is India. And India is surrounded by 3 water bodies. And the capital of India is New Delhi. The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh lives and works in Lucknow. Union territories are governed by the central government. Okay children, you have to read carefully the lesson at your homes. We will meet on next class. Thank you.